Hey guys, what's up people and welcome to my channel. Today Bella and me are going on a different adventure. We're going to a new resort. Before I go ahead and tell you where we are going, please consider liking this channel and subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified for all the future videos. But stay tuned in this video. Bella and me are going to give you a complete review about this place that we are going to go. It's a pet friendly place. My brother has gone to get some hot vada paos and Bella is getting excited. So guys, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and we are having some nice hot vada paos over here.
Yeah.
Yep. And some bhajias as well. Oh, Bella, easy. Guys, good morning. It's 9:45 in the morning and we have finally reached the resort, and the name of this resort is 1873 Equestrian Lifestyle Club and Resort. This place is in Karjat and it's about 2.5 hours drive away from Mumbai, and this place is looking fabulous, and that's my brother over there.
I'm the designated driver.
So, and you can see Bella over here.
Look at this girl. Look at this girl.
Yes. All right. So let's go and do the check-in
We go
process.
check-in process.
So we're going towards the reception to do the check-in. So finally the check-in process is done. We are just waiting for the rooms to be given. The check-in process was pretty fast over here. I think it's Monday, so I guess there's not a lot of people in this resort. Bella. Okay, come. So, like I said, the name of this property is 1873 Equestrian Lifestyle Club and Resort. So, they have a lot of horses over here. They charge about 850 rupees for 45 minutes if you want to take a horse ride. And if you want to take it outside the property, then they charge you 1000 rupees. So, this is the first time that I'm visiting this property along with my brother over here. Let's see how this, and that's Dad. Dad looks very grumpy. Bella, you've got a new friend. Bella, you've got a new friend. So guys, finally the room is ready and we are going towards the room. They have given us a room by the pool side. Let me just show you how the room looks like. So this is the view from the room. You can see the swimming pool and it's drizzling right now. And Bella is having a lunch over here. The weather is beautiful outside. So guys, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. We're going to be having lunch. Suresh is taking us towards the restaurant because it's raining over here. And Bella is also joining us. It's been constantly raining since morning from the time that we have come. We've just stepped out of the room. The weather is beautiful. After I think it stops raining, we're going to be going to the stable to check the stud farm. So the attack has already started. That's my lunch. Some rice, dal tadka, jeera, aloo, bhindi and chicken sukka. So that was a lovely meal that we just finished. Afternoon lunch was pretty good, and we are going to the room right now. Dad is going to be sleeping, I guess. My brother, me and Bella are going to be going for a stroll and see how the stud farm is. Guys, the weather is beautiful. We are going to the stud farm right now. Constantly raining and look at Bella. My god, she's really having a great time over here. This is the stud farm that they have. So all the horses are over there. Let's go and check it out. So how you are enjoying? How you like the place?
Yeah, absolutely. I didn't know we were going to get to see so many horses and everything. So that's good for the family, to come here with the family.
This is the view from over here. There's a Doberman over there as well. We have a Doberman over here. His name is Rocky. So you just saw the stud farm. All the horses were resting over there. And just look at Bella over here. Bella and Rocky are enjoying. Newfound love. Bella is not entering the water when my brother is going. So let's see if she enters the water when I go. Here we go.
Nobody else, got myself, and nobody else, and that one you got, and nobody else, got myself, and nobody else, and that one you got.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi Bella.
Great time over here. Check this out. It's raining. Literally cats and dogs.
If you want to enjoy this place, this is in Karjat. And yeah, Bella, I know you're enjoying. We're having a great time over here. The place is awesome. But don't come on a Friday, Saturday or a Sunday because this place is overly packed. Come on a Monday and you'll get the entire resort for yourself.
All right.
We are at the dinner table right now and we've got some amazing
That's the curry I was talking about.
the desi style chicken curry over here.
Roti style.
And then we have the aloo ki sabzi, again very home style. We've got jeera rice and we've got papad. We have chapatis.